Good morning, everybody. Here is Ruggero. I'm speaking from Italy, and this is my very short and super easy tutorial for making a good efficacy face mask to protect yourself and other people from coronavirus. I already made this tutorial in Italian, but now with the spreading of the virus all over the world, especially in other countries like United Kingdom and United States of America, I would like to give my very little help to all the people there. This tutorial is called the artillery gunner face mask. Why? Because I started from this large scarf that I had when I was an officer in artillery. This is the color of artillery in Italy. You can use another scarf, a square one, okay, folding in two to have this shape, triangular shape. All you need is this. Then you need some paper to this. This is the paper that used to cook inside any oven, like this. Okay, let's start together. It's very quite easy. You don't need plastic band and you don't need anything difficult to have. Okay, cut a pieces of paper with this length. I show you from a different point of view. The only thing you have to do is to leave enough space to bend and to fix this scarf back on your neck, on this side and on this other side. So, cut it. Okay. Then you need to fold it in two. You can also make this other band to have to stay in place. Then you put this in this position. Can you see? Then you take this angle and put in this way and pass it this way. Okay. Then you bend the other part over, and then you can take this way. And you can put on your face like this. As you can see, it's a very easy system, easy way to have a protective face mask. What is the advantage of this face mask? That is quite easy to be done, and when you come back from outside, you have gone outside to buy food or medicines, okay, you can remove the internal part, throw it away, and you can put this in your washing machine. And that's all. If you want to have a better way to make the face mask fixed on your face, you can also use this system. This is a sort of tubular scarf, just a little bit elastic. You can put it all over to cover the face mask and to make it to stay fixed there. So I strongly suggest to use this easy way with simple things that you have at home. That gunners, like every soldier, is in need of everything when he's on the field in battle. So it's quite important to build useful tool with everything you can find all around. And in this way, it's quite easy and it's quite simple to do this face mask. Please stay at home, protect yourself and your families. And I'm sure that we'll get out of this mess. Thank you so much.